Hello everyone, this is PSU Research Together Portal Project. I myself am,
Hi, I'm Rachel Hare.
Hello, I am Elizabeth Kelly.
Hey everyone, it's Megan Scipio.
and we are Team 17. It's a bit of a background in our project. We're trying to design a centralized sort of bridge portal for our faculty and student and external sponsors and vendors alike. The primary target for the project is undergrad students. The idea is to develop something that is easy to use and have widespread access to different type of groups of audience and users of the system. We're also trying to put samples of projects for students that they can get experience from. And it's basically a centralized channel for student project ideas, proposals, sharing them with faculties, and try to find the commonalities between different sponsors and students to do advanced research projects for undergrad students. The objective is to reach out to a broader group of undergrad students for research. As it stands, it is not a widespread uh, common objective nowadays to have undergrad students doing research in Penn State. We're going to push for widespread adoption by external sponsors eventually. It will also eliminate a lot of bottlenecks for our faculty members to do headhunting for student uh, for their research projects. Also, we are hoping to have widespread adoption for the idea from other institutions as well to basically push undergrad research in people's roadmap. The solution that we came up with for this is a web application. It is very flexible and infinitely scalable. It's containerized, so it can be scaled up to serving millions of requests every second in theory. It is portable for longevity. Again, the containers make it flexible enough so it can be deployed to different type of Penn State students. So Penn State moving from AWS to Azure, Azure to GCP, or on-prem servers from Linux to Windows. It should all support the development. And we also build a project very modular so it can be supported with plugins for future development. We are also targeting widespread device support for mobile, desktop, iPad, and that sort of thing. We're also looking for matching algorithm, which is going to suggest certain type of projects interested student or faculty to the interested parties. Jumping into the product demo, we have I've opened up the incognito tab. The project is deployed at researchmed.bd.psu.edu right now. That might change. This is our loading page, and we're following Penn State branding guidelines. This is where the video comes in. If you click on the left, there's a login with PSU SSO button. It's going to make sure that we are logged in via Penn State approved authentication guidelines. And if I approve it on my device for the MFA, this should allow me access to the application. And this is basically our application. If you can see, the branding is there. There's a PSU Research Together proposal. This is my name, and I am logged in as a faculty. There's a different flavor and access between a faculty or a student right now. And basically, when you open up the website, we have four primary tabs. You have search page, you have profile, you have project page, and favorite page. For search page, it is what it shows on there. I can search by name of a project or a faculty member. That should also work. And this is very flexible. You don't have to worry about your spelling, name, partial matches, last name, first name. This should work for either way. You have your filters right here that should return very granular list and return exactly the people that you're trying to find. You can reset the filters. You can reset the filters individually. With the wildcard, you have your go-to Boolean filters. That is our best guess of what is the most common used attribute for a certain interested user. You also have the suggestion, which is an algorithmic way of returning a list of matches between students and faculty, which is the user that I'm logged in right now. Similarly, if you're a faculty to faculty, if you're a faculty to projects that might be of interest to you, this is what we are returning. You have your profile that you can change. You have your research topic that you can type. It is very flexible. It is going to give you some predefined list. It is also going to give you a spelling suggestion. So for example, this one right here, and you have your majors that you're interested in. This is popular from a predefined list. You can also create project as a faculty. As a student, you can create a product proposal that someone have to approve from faculty. So this is artificial intelligence, like a couple of things that we just have to fill in, test description, and that should do it. Apologies for my spelling mistake. reliable, maybe, and you have your advanced option for your faculty users. It could be a great position or no. And as you can see, we just created a project that should now appear on the search page right here. And this is your view for that project. You can click on it, see the user as well, and all those projects is a nested element of pop-ups that you're going to see. You can favorite a project. We have the tooltip, and it's going to appear on your favorite list. You can remove it from here so you can access and go to. If you want to send an email, this is what you click, and it should open up the native email client from your devices. With that, we'd like to thank you to our faculty sponsor and professor for this opportunity to work on it. And thank you so much for bearing with us throughout this video. Thanks.